Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the Charles Schwab trading platform. Here, we'll explore everything you need to know to navigate and utilize it effectively. Charles Schwab offers various account types including brokerage accounts, retirement accounts, and more. Let's break each one down. The interface is designed for easy navigation. You'll find your dashboard provides all essential information at a glance. Funding your account is straightforward, with options such as electronic funds transfer or wire transfer. Here's how to manage your funds. Schwab provides a wealth of research tools and educational resources. This includes articles, webinars, and strategy guides to enhance your trading knowledge. Executing trades on the platform is seamless. We'll go through the tools that make this process efficient and effective. Customization options allow you to tailor your trading experience to your preferences, whether it's setting alerts or adjusting your dashboard. The mobile app ensures you can trade on the go. Let's unveil its key features and capabilities. Schwab's customer support is robust. You have access to live chat, FAQs, and comprehensive assistance whenever needed. In conclusion, the Charles Schwab trading platform offers a host of features designed for traders of all levels. Remember the key points we've discussed today as you start your trading journey.